In the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard, you saw the Mail Merge Recipients window appear after you had selected a data source for your merged document. This lesson will focus on using that dialog box to select the records that you want to use for your mail merge. Note that you can also open this dialog box by clicking the Edit Recipient list. Of course, you must have already selected a data source for the document before you can use this button. You select a data source, then click the Select Recipients button in the Start Mail Merge button group, and then choose one of the commands available to either create a new list or select an existing list. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you will see the records for your selected list displayed at the top of the window. You can check or uncheck the checkboxes in the second column to manually select or deselect the records you want to use for the mail merge. If you need to perform advanced filtering or sorting of the data, you will find additional hyperlinks at the bottom of this box that you can use to manage your list data. To apply an advanced sort to your data, you can click the Sort hyperlink. This will open up the Query Options dialog box and display the Sort Records tab. Here you can use the Sort By drop-down to select the primary field by which you want to sort the data. Then choose the sorting method to apply from the option buttons at the end of the field. You can either select ascending or descending. You can then perform the same actions for the two additional Then By fields in order to apply a secondary sort order if needed. To apply the sorting order when you are finished, just click the OK button. If you want to apply an advanced filter to the list, click the Filter hyperlink at the bottom of the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. This will open up the same dialog box as before, but this time with the Filter Records tab showing. On this tab, use the first drop-down under the Field column to choose the field name by which you want to filter the data. Then use the Comparison drop-down to select a comparison operator. Then type the value against which you want to compare the fields directly into the Compare To field. If you need to apply more filtering criteria, then choose either the AND or choice from the first drop-down in the second row. Then repeat the same process again. Note that you can set multiple filtering criteria on this tab. Once you have set your filtering criteria, click the OK button to apply it to your list. Once you have applied either a sort order or a filter to the records in your list, you can clear either setting to display all of the records again. To do this, either click the Sort or Filter hyperlinks at the bottom of the dialog box, depending upon which aspect you want to remove, in order to open the Filter and Sort dialog box. If you want to clear the sorting that has been applied, make sure the Sort Records tab is visible, and then click the Clear All button. If you want to remove a filter that has been applied, click the Filter Records tab, and then click the Clear All button. Once you have finished clearing any sorting or filtering criteria on each tab, click the OK button to apply the changes and return to your list. If you want to search for possible duplicate records in your list, you can click the Find Duplicates hyperlink at the bottom of the dialog box. This will open up the Find Duplicates dialog box. Here you will see any possible duplicate records that could exist in your list. You can uncheck any records shown in this window to prevent duplicate records from being used in the same mail merge. Once you have finished, you can click the OK button to return to the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. You can click the Find Recipient hyperlink in order to open the Find in Field dialog box. You can use this to locate a record in your list by a field's value. Once you are finished using this dialog box, click the Close button to return to the list. In the Data Source section, you can view the name of the data source. You can click on the name of the data source shown in this list, and then click the Edit button to open up the Data Form dialog box. You can use this dialog box to directly make changes to your list data if needed. Once you are finished, click the Close button. Word will prompt you to save your changes and update the list in a separate message box. Click the Yes button to accept the changes and return to the Mail Merge Recipients window. Once you have finished selecting the records to use for your mail merge using this dialog box, simply click the OK button.